Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make Cakesicles. So first I bought the molds. I got them on Amazon. And they're about your pinky finger length. So that's good. They do look a lot bigger after you dip them in chocolate, but so these are the molds. And it came with popsicles, sticks, and it came with baggies. I'm going to wash these, obviously, very important. I soaked them in steaming hot water in the sink for a little while, then washed them with soap. I prepared vanilla cake and I used a hot pink color so that way I can make these kind of like Valentine's Day theme. And I'm gonna make some Cakesicles with them. So the first thing that I do is crunch up the cake and put it into my KitchenAid bowl. And I use white frosting. Depending on how moist the cake is, will depend on how much frosting you really need. I start out with like a couple of tablespoons and take it from there. So sometimes I'll put a towel over the whole thing to keep the crumbs from splattering, but it seems to be doing okay. So it's still kind of crummy. You want it to stick together. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the icing. So I like it when it looks like this, kind of like Play-Doh, but very yummy. I grab the molds and I grab pieces of the cake and I put them into the molds, very flat, fill it up so it has a very nice tight fit inside of it. I take my popsicle stick and I put it through in the mold so that way it fits right in. Now I'm ready to begin with my chocolate. My chocolate is all melted and it's quite thin and runny. And I take my popsicle and I cover it with my chocolate on all sides to ensure that it's covered all the way around. I like to lightly tap the stick in order to have as much extra chocolate drip off for better, thinner, and more appealing look. Okay, so I took them out of the refrigerator and this is our outcome. Thanks, have a good day.